guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I have something new. I have the 5 surprise toy minis. I already opened this in the car. But we have 2 more things. I'm gonna show you what I got. So I got this Pets Alive Poppy, the booty chicken llama. This is here. And then I got a Rubik's Cube. Oh, you can see it hurt my nose. And then I got this Rugrats. Okay, Rugrats. Nickelodeon. I got, who did I get? Tommy, I got Tommy. And I got a rare frisbee. The logo. And then I got 2 paper bags. So that's aside. Okay, now we have 2 more kindy kids. Pirouetta is upstairs, sadly. But she's in my playroom. But we're gonna open up Jessica Cake and Lippy Lulu, so she's not alone. So, wait, who did I already open? Okay. Wait. Oh, they should make a girl, like a girl. I don't know her name, but like a girl, a little mini kindy kid for like her. I only have 2 big kindy kids, which is Marshmallow and Jessie Cake. But let's get opening up. I'm gonna start with Lippy Lulu because she's the first one I opened. I was like sword opening her. I'm like I got urged to make a video, but so I did. So open it up. Perfect. Just watch me bobble. Okay, I'm gonna test. Think it's gonna work for them. I love her detail in her eyes. Oh my god. Look at the armor in her skirt though. Pretty. Ah. Bobble, 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 bobble.